go on, guys? Yes. Relationship between the current account and exchange rate. Remember when we started the class, I said if you continue to import,
deficit.
It's deficit, yes. But what happens to your currency? Your currency lost its value.
Yes.
So we get to know now. So he said the pattern of international trade can be influenced by changes in the exchange rate. What is exchange rate? Exchange rate is the price of the currency in respect to other countries' currency. Do you get what the exchange rate is here?
Yeah.
The price. Exchange rate means the value of the dinars to the dollars. That's the exchange rate. So that's why we say what? Exchange rate is the value of a country's currency in respect to other currencies. The value of a country's currency in respect to other currency. That is what exchange rate is about. So, if a country's exchange rate gets stronger, which means that one unit of a currency can buy more units of another currency, exports become more expensive and imports become cheaper. So, if the value of the dinars, I want to summarize what they said. If the value of the dinars becomes so strong, it means the dinars will be able to buy more of, we're talking about now, let's compare the dinars and the dollars. Stop writing please and listen. Let's compare the dinars and the dollars now. So if the value of the dinars rises against the dollars, it means the dinars will buy more of the dollars. So that makes imports through dollars become cheaper for the Libyans. Do you get what I just said there?
Yes.
Do you understand what I mean? So, in the other case, if the value of the dinars falls in terms of exchange rate, it makes you to buy less of the dollars. At that point in time, your export becomes internationally competitive. You'll be able to export more because it is cheaper to export from Libya.
Mm-hmm.
Do we get it?
Yes.
If the exchange rate, if the dinar rises against the dollars, imports becomes cheaper for the Libyans using the dollars. If the dollars rise against the dinars, it makes exports from Libya cheaper for those in America. Because the dollars will buy more of the dinars. That means the dollar will buy more of goods coming from Libya. Same goes to if the dinars rise against the dollars. It means the dinars will buy more of goods coming from foreign businesses.
Yes.
Do we understand the relationship here?
Yes.
So here it said, this might result fewer exports, so I explained it already. So what we have to understand about the relationship of exchange rate with current account is how the value of currency falls, that brings about more international competitiveness, more exports, and how the value of a country currency rises, that brings about more importation. So when we talked about a current account deficit, you said the country's economy is what? Weak. It might not be. It might be because of exchange rate. So if your exchange rate is good, if the exchange rate is stronger, it means you can buy more of imports. Imports become cheaper for you. So a country might import more because its currency is stronger than that of the foreign business. Do you get it now? Mm-hmm. So it's not because your economy is weak.